Welcome to Special Car Stoke. My name is Umesh Samani. I'm the proprietor of Specialist Car Stoke. We do a full walk around video of every single car to show you how nice all our cars are. So please enjoy the walk around video of this car and I'll tell you why you should be buying your car from me. Just arrived in this absolutely beautiful Mercedes B180 Sport, facing this absolutely gorgeous South Seas blue metallic. I think the colour is absolutely gorgeous. They're great value for money, these B classes. Very spacious cars, lots of room inside them, a little bit higher off the ground, so easy to get in and out of. Great spec on this one, in absolutely beautiful condition all the way around. Bodywork's beautiful all the way around. No nasty dents, scratches or scuffs anywhere. Nice loading area. Great size boot on it. No damage to the loading area, all nice and clean there. Lots of space there. Split folding rear seats. 3-load facility as well through there. This floor is quite deceptive because you can higher it slightly as well. So it gives you a flatter floor there. If you want extra height, lower it to there. Little cubby hole there, you can hide all sorts of stuff in there. Complete toolkit there, including locking wheel bolts. Rear luggage cover. All nice and clean in there. Not being abused. This has got the reverse camera as well. Just heading under there. Just makes life easier for parking. So down the sides, all nice and good. All the wheels in great condition. No damage, no major scuffs anywhere. £20 road tax, 60 plus to the gallon, according to Mercedes Benz. What a cheap car to run. Look at that for space in there. Lots of leg room there. Plenty of space in there. Again, all nice and clean. The black Artico leather. ISOFIX points there. Armrest. Cup holders there. All that is totally undamaged. Picnic tables as well. There we go. Electric rear windows. Electric windows front and rear. Again, all the trims. All nice and clean, undamaged. Driver's seat, again, in great condition. You can adjust these as well, so you get extra support just under your legs. Again, all the trims in great condition. Centre armrest with the USB input in there. This one's got satellite navigation, which is not standard on all these. Mileage of 38,969 with full service history. All very easy to control from there. You can select drive modes as well. Comfort, Sport, Individual, Eco, all at the touch of a button. It's all displays on the big screen on there. Straightforward. Stereo CD, dual zone climate control, 6-speed manual gearbox, Bluetooth connection, radio, media. This fabulous sport steering wheel, everything's all at your fingertips. Control on there. Automatic lights, automatic wipers. Great value for money. Beautiful car. Full service history, 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear. We welcome part exchange. You can click and reserve this car 24/7 direct off our website. The deposit is fully refundable if you feel the car is not correctly described. Any further information, please give us a call on 01782 822 700. Read about our raving fans reviews and you'll see why customers come back to us time and time again. Spacious Cars, multi-award winning dealer in Stoke-on-Trent, Staffordshire. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997 and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, of exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get update of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.